Right now, a comet called 3I Atlas is still tearing through our solar system at over 130,000 miles per hour, and NASA has no way to stop it, slow it, or turn it away. It came from somewhere else, not from our sun, not from our family of planets, from the dark between the stars. And the smartest people at Harvard and Caltech still can't agree on what it actually is. But here's what nobody is telling you. Next week, you'll be able to look up and find it yourself. And what they measured on the way in is the part they're afraid to say out loud. Let me tell you what we're dealing with. 3I Atlas is an interstellar object. That means it was not born here. It did not form around our sun like every comet you've ever heard of. It was forged around another star, a star that may have died billions of years ago, and then flung out into the cold, drifting for an unimaginable span of time before it crossed our path. It is only the third object like this we have ever caught. The first was Oumuamua. The second was Borisov. This is the third, and it is the biggest of them all. We are talking about something potentially miles wide, a frozen wanderer older than our entire solar system. And it is moving so fast that our sun's gravity cannot capture it. It will swing through and it will leave. One pass. Forever. So scientists pointed everything they had at it. And that's when the numbers stopped making sense. The first thing they noticed was the speed. 3I Atlas is moving faster than either object before it, far too fast to belong here. Nothing in our solar system pushed it to that velocity. It arrived already carrying it, like a bullet fired from a gun we will never see. Then came the trajectory. It is threading through the inner solar system on a path so flat, so precise, that it passes near the orbits of multiple planets. Astronomers ran the odds. The alignment is strange. Strange enough that one Harvard physicist, the same one who argued Oumuamua might be artificial, said it out loud again. What if it isn't just a rock? Now most scientists pushed back hard. They see a comet. They see ice and dust and a tail. And they're probably right. But here's the problem. They can't fully explain it either. Because when they studied the glow around it, the chemistry came back wrong. This is the part they kept quiet. The coma, that's the cloud of gas and dust wrapping the comet like a veil, showed a composition that doesn't match the comets born in our own system. The ratios were off. Some readings suggested it was venting carbon dioxide in amounts that shouldn't be possible for an object this old, this far out, this cold. A comet that ancient should be exhausted, burned out, silent. This one is still active, still erupting, still throwing material into space as it falls toward the sun. And remember what I told you at the start, the measurement they're afraid to repeat. It's the age. The star system that made this comet may be over 7 billion years old. That makes 3I Atlas potentially older than the Earth, older than the Sun. You are about to look up at an object that was already ancient before our planet existed, a relic from a dead star, carrying chemistry from a corner of the galaxy no human will ever visit. And it has been falling toward us in total silence for longer than there has been life on Earth. So what does this actually mean? It means our textbooks are running out of room. 3 interstellar visitors in less than a decade, when we expected to wait lifetimes between them. That tells us the galaxy is not empty. It is crowded, filled with billions of these frozen messengers sliding between the stars, and we are only now building eyes sharp enough to catch them. Each one is a sample, a piece of another solar system delivered to our doorstep for free. And each one so far has broken a rule we thought was solid. 3I Atlas will reach its closest approach and then begin the long fall back into the dark. We get one look, one chance to read a story written around a star that may no longer exist. And next week, with a modest telescope and a clear sky, that story is yours to see. But here's the question they keep circling back to, the one nobody can close. If 3 of these slipped past us in just a few years, and each one carried something we couldn't explain, then how many have already crossed through our solar system, unseen, unrecorded while we weren't looking up? And the next one, the one already on its way, what will it be carrying? Look up next week. Find it before it's gone. And tell me down in the comments, do you think 3I Atlas is just an ancient comet? Or do you think they're still not telling us everything?